I'm good right now. Everyone's telling everyone how they met me. Okay, but it's on video.
And what we appreciate.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, yeah, you can dance it a little bit if you want. Just a little bit, though. Yeah. Not too much. So we're at Hotel. How you met Shalina, and one thing you appreciate about her. We can tell her. You don't have to look at the camera. It's awkward. Yeah. You tell everybody. You tell everybody. It's a sharing of the...
You know I gotta do it like an infomercial.
Please don't. Oh my gosh. For $9.99, you too can meet Shalina. Like what? No.
You almost just made a sound.
Right? Oh, dude, priceless, right?
So it's a real cool story because the first time I met Shalina, it was right on this beach, and I had just driven in from Connecticut. I met her through my friend Joey. They had been hanging out. I heard some things about her before I moved out here, and it was just cool because when I first met her, she was running around the beach. She was tipsy. It was like 5 o'clock in the afternoon, but it was so beautiful coming out here. I thought she was the craziest white girl I ever met, honestly. She's running around. She's like, hey, yeah. I'm like, okay, that's nice. This is California.
That's what it sounds. I could believe it. I could believe it.
Hey, you were doing it. It was awesome. It was amazing.
It's a compliment.
She comes down and she no, literally, I'm laying on the ground. I pass out. I'm sleeping because you get jet lag, or not even jet lag, but I was just driving for 4 days. So I'm laying down and she comes and she lays down beside me. And she's like, hey, I heard a lot of good things about you. You seem real nice. She's just laying there with me, like real comfortable. Like it was just cool because
amazing.
With most people, like it's just like it's not like that, So it was awesome to experience that moment with her, first time meeting her, and then we move forward. It's almost 2 years now. It's about to be 2 years in August, and from that very first time to the end, like we got tight. We were tight. She's like my sister. Seen so many crazy things out here with her. Experienced being homeless with her. Living out of a car. You know what I mean? Like
That's so funny to say.
Real crazy. And she introduced me to the law of attraction, right? And it was so crazy because she helped me out of a lot. And then when it came down for that change, she had helped me so much that when I was able to get there, and then she was down, we were just like, boom, we just pull each other out of it. Like, it's crazy. And that was it. You know what I mean? Just together, it was just boom. Just boom. Just boom. And just checking each other. It's my sister. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Our birthdays are 3 days apart. It's crazy. If I fall in a rut, she's there to tell me, this is what you need to do. And I understand it, and it's yo, yes, that's it. Yeah, that's my story. That's it.
What was the thing you appreciate about her, though?
The most? Appreciate everything about her. Soul,
all right,
positive energy. It's just love, you know what I mean? It's on a whole nother level, though. It's just, it's the way it's supposed to be. And then we just made these other connections with everyone else. It's amazing. She's definitely Lighthouse.
Lighthouse!
Yeah.
That was a reference earlier. Yeah. So who wants to go next? Kenny, technically you were next, but you want to go next? Okay.
I could agree on that same light path. You know what I'm saying? For example, I came from San Diego. You know what I mean? I got promoted and I moved up here to the restaurant, started managing the restaurant. And the change from San Diego to Orange County, one would think it wouldn't be that great, but fuck, man, I didn't like Orange County for the longest time. I just started liking Orange County right now, actually, because I've never made any actual friends, and work was at the beginning was stressful. You know what I mean? I love my job, I love where I'm at now, but a lot of it is actually thanks to her. You know what I mean? Because I went into that restaurant, and like I said, it was a hard time at first real management job, and being all out by myself here, no friends, nothing. I had some kind of dark days, and then I'd see her work sometimes, and she's so fucking positive, just so bright and happy all the time. Before the shift, after the shift, then we hung out, and I was this fucking that's crazy, dude. I don't know. Just I'd never she was just so open and just smoking together and just hanging out, we had a lot of great conversations, and So like towards the end, like, you know what I mean, at work, like I would see and I'd be like, you know, you're the fucking light that keeps me going. You know what I mean? Like I would tell you that. So, anyways, you know, long story short, like now I love where I'm at, and you know, it's thanks to friends like her and like, you know, you guys too, you know, like that I've met recently, like that really make me feel like good where I'm at. You know what I mean? So,
Alright.
happy birthday.
Oh.
Awesome.
Alright.
Oh man.
Yeah. Yo, man.
Happy birthday, Coach Cho.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Coach Cho.
Happy birthday!
It's her birthday, man. Okay, good talk. I met Coach Cho super random. I was I was coming down to Taco Tuesday, and
That guy was in the wrong fire pit. My bad. Just like standing here listening to us.
I've been there. I've been there. You remember that?
I didn't even know.
I thought you guys knew him. Okay.
Not at all.
Yeah,
Not at all.
It took me a second, but I was waiting for it to like, go ahead.
I was your friends. I was like, what
I was like, alright.
We got
That was-
over here.
Fruit salad. Fruit salad.
Burning some pieces.
I went down to Taco Tuesday to this band that I perform with. Like, all the homies were kicking it, and so they were like, "Yo, man, you gotta come down and like get some Taco Tuesday with us." And so like I cruised down, and I called Drew, and or did he call me?
He called you.
He called, so Drew, I got a call from Drew's phone, and I was like, hey, yo, what up? Like how I always answer the phone, something stupid, and like, it was Coach Cho. She's like, hey, I'm down here on Main Street, and like, your friend Drew says to like, whatever, I don't
He was
remember.
just like, Drew was like, you need to meet Kenny. And I was like, okay. And he just like gave me the phone. He was like, here. And I was like, oh, hi. Like, hey, Kenny, I don't know you, but I guess I should know you. And you were like, yeah, cool, where are you? Like, you didn't even know who I was.
Just like that.
Awesome. So I got down there and I met up with Drew, and he was like, yeah, this is my friend Coach Cho, and I was like, oh, what up, Coach Cho? And she was doing the boot camp. She was hustling her like, we got this boot camp. You should come check it out. It's all about self-transformation and all about like yeah, you can be in shape. Like physically, but I'm like bringing a message of like being in shape, like body, mind, and spirit, like all for me, you know. And I was like, that is so tight. I was like, I'm seriously like so down for that. You don't even know. And she looked at me and she went, are you serious? Like she thought I was like.
No, I didn't say serious because of that,
What
but you were just so happy and excited.
Yeah!
I wasn't sure if you were like just fucking around with me.
Yeah!
Or if you were just like really
Totally, he
genuinely
can't
like,
talk
oh,
about
you
it.
were
I
just
think
like,
it's a-
yeah, I
it's
don't
a
know who
condition.
you are. Like, whatever.
His
So
smile
it's
is
like,
amazing.
I don't know. I had to take a step. I realized that you were like actually being really.
He made a
genuine.
song.
I was like so stoked to meet someone who was like doing the same thing that I was. I was
It's
like,
hilarious. It's awesome.
I
Like,
would
you're
meet you.
genuinely happy. You're like, you got a fucking problem, man?
So
Why are you laughing so hard? Why are you smiling so hard at me?
and so we went to this we got tacos, and she showed up, and I got her number, and she was like, we should kick it sometime or whatever. Like I just moved here from the East Coast, and so like we started kicking it, and she like my best friend, dude. I like wouldn't kick it with anyone else, but she like. You're the one person that I met who I feel like loves life just as much as I do. I was like, dude, I fucking can relate to you. Like, no one else, like I talk about how fucking much I love being alive, and they're just like, you sure you're not rolling, dude? And I'm like, yeah, man, I swear. But,
Man.
I don't know, we kicked it like, fucking like every day. Went to fucking yoga festivals and music festivals and concerts and love stock festivals. And
Damn. It's a lot of festivals.
so many beautiful people, and you just taught me so much about myself. You taught me to be fearless, and you taught seriously, you taught me how to make my dreams happen. Like I watched you like doing all this fucking amazing shit, winning cars on TV, and like fucking just like always getting bonuses at work, and like always selling the most fucking anything. And you'd go to work being like, yeah, I'm kind of broke right now, and she'd come back and be like, yo, I just got a $300 tip. This family loved me, and
She's
this.
a good server. I can confirm that.
I believe it, man. And you inspire me so much. Like I'm just not even kidding. there aren't words to like tell you how much you inspire me and how much of an impact you've had on my life. Like that I don't know, that little like saga where we just like kicked it all the time and just it was just like nothing but like not philosophical but like spiritual conversation. Like just like we were just like bounce ideas off of each other and just like I don't know, it was just back and forth, and I just grew so much from that. And like I just like thank you for existing. And I don't know what else to say about how I met you. You're cool people. And one thing the thing I appreciate the most, I would have to say, you have such a beautiful heart. I think you're such like a beautiful person. You're so kind to everybody. Like just like the most kind person I've like ever seen. And it's awesome. I don't know. It's awesome. I love you guys.
I don't know, but that's exactly what it is. It's that. But I don't know.
I like this game though, man. Oh, the love roast. Roxy, we've concluded that instead of like a roast, like making fun of people, like it was actually like a roast.
Yeah.
Love roast.
Love roast.
All right.
She's being roasted and all this love right now.
Yeah. So wait, we got you, I believe, and Lucas next, right?
Yeah, Lucas wants to put money in the meter.
Where's Jeremiah?
Okay.
Jeremiah.
Yeah.
Jeremiah!
I think it'd be fine. I think it'd be fine.
Alright, Jeremiah's here, we can start the party.
Yeah. So wait, should we go Jeremiah and then Roxy and then, or
I want
what?
to hear Jeremiah play a song.
Yeah, Jeremiah.
Jeremiah, listen to a song.
I want to hear a poem right now.
Yeah?
I want to hear.
But wait, can we just hear Roxy met you real quick? Real quick.
Okay.
Okay.
We got a quick story.
Okay.
All right. I met Shalina. Sorry, the smoke. Okay.
No problem.
At Harvell's, a couple months after I met Sean, who I fell in love with Sean's poetry and his artwork and him as a person. And we happened to be at a mutual friends event at Harvell's. And he introduced me to Shalina there just like really quickly. And I didn't even know that they were dating. I didn't know anything about it. And she was and there were a lot of people there, but we somehow got to connect through the music and the loud noise, and we immediately just like clicked on how we felt about life, spirituality, positivity, helping the world. Just like it was an energetic match for me instantly, and I knew that. And of all the people I meet all the time, like it was an eye contact, like physical thing that I remember. When we danced a little bit, we took some photos.
Right.
And we were just pretty much like, it was a mutual love feeling. That's what I felt. And then I said bye, and I really didn't even know that they were dating. Like,
We didn't know we were dating.
He probably introduced me to other people that night too, but I remembered her. And then I was doing one of the biggest things I've ever done in my personal career, and just asking for help from everyone in my life. And really, like, Shalina showed up with Sean after, only had met me that one time, and sat there for hours and all night, and just like her living energy and support to accomplish this like insane task I put on myself. Of all the people in my life, like, this is somebody that I just met once, and she actually showed up and was fully present and available and worked for hours to help me, and someone she didn't even know. So that alone, like those two meetings were like, okay, I love you and want you in my life. And ever since then, I've seen her at shows. She's come and support me, and we haven't actually gotten to spend like alone time. It's always been like work related, but the thing is, we're in the same line of work, and I think we're both, very busy in what we're doing. But on Facebook, I definitely catch up with her, and I see what she's doing. And what I appreciate about you is the love and support and your purpose in life, which I think we're all mirrors of each other, and you're a beautiful mirror to look at. So I just want more of you in my life. And I think that you're fabulous.
Oh, I freaking love you, beautiful.
Thank you.
Oh. Did she speak for you and Rox? Like, did she speak for both of you? How you guys met?
I mean, that was outstanding. That pretty much covers all of it.
Okay.
If I were to add anything,
Yeah, definitely.
I would describe Shalina or Shalele, as Roxy and I like to think of you, as outstanding, authentic, generous, friendly, and fresh.
You can tell her. You can tell her. You don't have to tell me.
Well, this is captured for all time for you to review.
Oh, okay,
On
okay.
top of Roxy's.
Yeah.
Staples.
Awesome. Woo! And then wait, Jeremiah, where's Jeremiah?
Jeremiah.
You disappear again? Oh, I was like,
She's over there
this little guitar ninja.
Getting ready to rock that thing.
So, how you met her, and one thing you appreciate about her the most,
Wow, just one thing.
or 1,500? No, but
I
yeah,
have to keep this concise.
no problem. Concise it up. Concise it up.
But Shalina is amazing.
Yep.
Everyone can agree. So the first time I met Shalina was actually, was it an STS?
Yeah.
Yes. You remember that? That was my first STS.
Yeah.
The one that I actually called sick to work. Spontaneously, just because it just felt right. And that day changed my life. And it's funny because Shalina was in the picture that same moment that my life changed. But ever since STS, we just fast forward, and I remember that first time we hung out, and we just jammed out all night.
Yeah.
And you were playing the bongos.
Oh,
Do you remember that night?
Remember I sent you that video?
Yes.
Okay.
I do.
That was Jeremiah.
That was an amazing time in my life. I was meeting so many cool people. I met Josh at the same time. I was introduced to Kenny. We went to one of his concerts in LA. You remember that?
Oh wow.
Kenny popped into the picture, and just like the other night, Alex's birthday. That's when I met you.
Oh right.
So it's just been a crazy ride so far. And the consistent thing is that people are here because of this girl.
Oh, no.
Woo!
And that's crazy. And remember that one night we met?
I do.
In the car.
I do.
See,
That was a good
great
fucking night.
conversation.
We had like a 2.5 hour long conversation.
Yeah,
from
good
start to finish.
conversations. And we all relate because it's funny. I thought I was the only one who practiced the law of attraction. This was back in 2007. And I never really talked about it to anybody. But the moment I met Hota, and when he said law of attraction, and the funny thing is, we're all born within the same. My birthday's next week. And his birthday was like 3 days ago.
Sean's is in 11 days.
Yeah.
And we're all Aries.
All areas, yeah.
And it's crazy because we're almost like the same people.
I feel like we're all like-minded people just definitely just being attracted to each other.
Yeah, and we all connect like easily. We don't even have to try, and music just comes out.
Yeah.
And every single time we played music, it's never been too much to think about. We just did it.
Yeah.
There was not much preparation. It just came out. It's always been like that.
Definitely. All right.
That was so fun. I did not expect that to be that long.
awesome.
Oh my god.
Freaking
That
wow.
was like my whole birthday party, and I just like want to cry right now. Oh, I love you guys.
Love you too. Love you too.
Can I request a poem?
Oh crap.
Music?
Yeah.